Hey guys, welcome watching a video. I'm slating today's video is a dorm room tour. It's been a video I was supposed to upload weeks ago. Forgot to stack it with my DCP stuff, but now I'm gonna show it now. Roommate Bethany.
Hey! So, these are my lights. They look really cool to light up. I'll turn it off real quick.
Ooh.
I'll turn it on so you can see better. And then over here we've just got like my desk. Just some like plants and jewelry and random stuff.
And then we have our wardrobe. Here's my roommate, and then here's mine. I have all the shoes at the bottom. Ooh, that was really loud. Oh well. And then I have my blankets up there, but it's very hot, so we're not gonna use those right now. And I have my desk area. And then I have my bed with some pictures of friends. And then underneath, thank you, my mom's gonna help me. I have like my little cove, my little grotto. I have all like my snacks, skincare, games, like the little corner. And then all my mugs. And my mini fridge. And then my exercise ball. And some other stuff. Then my drawers with all my other clothes. And I have my roommate. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.